Hey guys, welcome back. I'm still in Washington. So I'm actually drinking the first beer I made out here, the Belgian Pale, and it turned out really well, so look out for a review on that one. So today we're going to make a juicy IPA. It's Big Brew Day, according to the American Homebrewers Association. So joining all of you guys homebrewing on this Saturday, May the 2nd. And so what's going to go into this today is a bunch of two-row, some white wheat, caramel 10, honey malt. That's pretty much all I brought up. And for hops, we're going to do Idaho Gem, Zenia, and some cryo Mosaic that I've had sitting around for a while. So we're going to do brew in a bag again, and I'm going to fill this up to 6.5 gallons. And we're basically going to have malt all the way to the top of this kettle. But, you know, last time we made around 4 gallons, but I'm kind of sad because this is a really good beer, so we're going to try to make 5 today. All right. I feel like I'm going to make a huge friggin' mess. Oh, hey, I'm ready. Yeah. I didn't realize you were going to stop it. So much easier filling up a hose than, like, lifting those water jugs.
Yeah.
Also, that beer is really good because we have amazing water here.
We do. It's one of the best water in the United States.
It's not treated at all. Like, usually I do like calcium chloride, Epsom salt, and Jits in all my beers. But I also use RO, so that is a lot of water. We're going to get it up to around 160 and then mash in, so hopefully it drops to like the mid 150s. It's a juicy IPA, so I want it to be a little sweeter. So we're gonna make some more non-fermentable sugars. Okay, so we're a little over 160. It's fine. So I'm going to get water all over my notebook. So we're throwing the brew in a bag on, and then we've got 10 pounds of two-row. We've got 2 pounds of white wheat, 8 ounces of honey malt, and 4 ounces of caramel 10. Do you wanna help me mashing?
Sure.
You can stir or you can pour.
I'll pour.
Alrighty. I used a lot of tape in these so they didn't explode in the car. Alright. We should go slow because this is going to be super filled.
Hopefully. Maybe I should go from this side. From the wind.
Yeah. It's literally going to be at the very top once we put the second bag in. So that's the two-row. And here is the wheat and the honey and the caramel. You can just dump it. I'm reusing all my Safeway bags because they won't let me use my reusable ones. Alright, so now you know the max in this kettle is 6.5 gallons with grain. Alright, so let's just see how much it dropped. So I'm going to let this sit for 45 minutes, and then we can start the boil. It's looking like the temp has dropped to, it's hard to tell because it's being slow. The temp's dropped to around 156. So it'll drop further. It'll probably end up being like around 152, I think, when we're done. It's really windy and cold out here, so it's gonna go away quickly. All right. Okay, so it's been 45 minutes, so we're ready to pull the grain. I'm just gonna see what the temperature ended up being. So it stayed around a little over 150, so that's good. Okay, so we're just gonna pull this grain. my god. We're in a tornado. Shit. Woo! Careful. Oh, actually, grab that, Reed, grab that board and just lay it over the top and we can rest it on it. And then it'll just drain through the sides.
There you go. Genius.
I'm a small person. I do a lot of things alone. Yeah, milk the malt. We lost our board from last time.
Must have burned it.
Cinco? Yeah. All right, so we're gonna bring this back up to a boil and then start our hop additions. I'm getting old.
A lot. It's a beer word. Save the beer.
Oh, wow. Alright. Okay, so I'm going to take my specific gravity now for my pre-boil. This is really cold out here, so I'm going to try to do it really quickly. Okay, so our pre-boil is 14.9 bricks, and converted that's going to be, so converted that's 1.063 as our pre-boil gravity. Our target was 1.069, but who cares, it's fine. Okay, so we hit boil as you just saw, and our 60-minute addition is 1 ounce of Zenia. So I'm gonna toss that in, and then I'm gonna set a timer for 50 minutes for our next round of additions, and for our Werfelock and yeast nutrient. Okay, so we're at our 50-minute mark. So I've got 1 ounce of Zenia and 1 ounce of Idaho Gem I'm going to throw in, and we're going to throw in the chiller and some yeast nutrient, a Werfelock tablet I'm just going to toss in there. I'm actually going to just toss in some yeast nutrient too so I don't forget. Whatever. So this is 1 ounce of Idaho Gem in this insanely crusty bag now, and 1 ounce of Zenia. So now I'm just going to set a timer for 10 minutes, and then I'm gonna forget this as always. So timer for 10 minutes, we're gonna pull it, start chilling. This is now down to right around 5, so that should be great, and then we'll transfer it. Okay, so it has been the full hour. I'm gonna cut this propane. That's the wrong way. And we're gonna start chilling it. What's your idea?
Take this.
Oh, cascade.
There. Oh.
Here, I can move this.
Oh, there we go.
There you go.
That's perfect.
Perfect. You don't want to set it more in the ground so it's not just on your sidewalk?
Oh, that's where I wanted to just go out in the sidewalk.
Perfect. Alrighty.
Kind of build, make a little hole.
Oakley dokley. So we're gonna chill this down to around 65 degrees or so, and then we're gonna pitch our yeast, and we're also going to throw in our dry hops right now so that we don't have any chance of adding any oxygen, and we're gonna hope for some biotransformation with the yeast. And yeah, we're doing Nottingham yeast this time, and for the dry hop we're doing some cryo Mosaic, more Zenia, and more Idaho Gem. So 1 ounce of each of those. Up. We got a leaker. Oh, it just was on weird. You're good, you're good. Yeah, it's just leaking a little bit. I don't know if that's, oh yeah, it's coming out hot. Okay, so we're at about 65 degrees now. I'm gonna sanitize my tubing and stick it on the valve so we can go ahead and transfer. This fermenter has been fully sanitized for a long time, but I'm still going to spray. What's the difference? Still gonna sanitize this tube.
Sanitize this.
There we go. All right, so we're gonna pour that in. Yeah, it needs to get sanitized. So I'm gonna let this aerate a bit. So the yeast will be happy with us. Will you just hold this? Because I can almost guarantee no camera angle is getting this. And I just realized it. I'm gonna just steal some of that. So we're gonna use that for our original gravity reading. But while we're doing this, I'm actually going to just pitch our yeast into this. So this is completely sanitized bag. I'm just gonna dump these hops in it. So I've got 1 ounce of Idaho gem that I so cleverly tied into a bag that I'm not gonna be able to open. So much for sanitization.
You did it.
So 1 ounce Idaho gem, 1 ounce of Zenia, and 1 ounce of Yakima Chief Cryo Mosaic with 22% alpha acid. So this stuff,
Sounds pretty.
it's out of control.
Amazing.
So I can't remember exactly how they do this, but basically they take out a lot of the like vegetable particulate, and I'm not gonna be able to open this. And so it's got extra alphas, and it's good for dry hopping because you don't get a bunch of like random like leaves
Oh, nice.
and stuff. It's more like, it's a more processed product, but for good reason. And just smell that.
It smells so good.
Oh yeah, we're gonna have Mosaic bomb. All right. So I'm just gonna knot this real quick. I'm gonna toss that right in. Screw it. And I'm gonna toss our Nottingham yeast in. This is a harvested from a previous batch. And hopefully it likes being cold. Yeah.
I'll just. Put this back in there. Like this.
All right, throwing the sanitized lid on. There's a lot of wild yeast floating around. It is spring in Washington. And filling that. All right, so let's see what our original gravity ended up being. So our original gravity ended up being about 19.8. So let's see what that actually is. Okay, so 19.8 gives us a gravity of 1.084. Actually, that's 19.7. 1.085. And we were looking for an original gravity of 1.076. I don't know what it is about Washington water, Washington everything. We get so much better efficiency out here than I've ever gotten in LA. No clue what's happening. Maybe it's the water. But again, we're going to end up with another 8%er on accident. Oh no. Well, that's it. We're going to let this sit for probably a week, and then, I mean, we're already probably half through of our Belgian Pale just from today, so we're going to have to put it on quick. We just got the kegerator up and running, thanks to Sean, and yeah, see you guys next week. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe.
Really good beer.
It's so good. That's going to go on my list. What?
Put that song back where it came from.
into the well. I'm on this one. Like, cause I've got this microphone on, it really only picks up me and like very little of anyone else. It's where I get into trouble is when it doesn't record and I have to use stuff with my neighbors talking. Like I was trying to edit this morning. I'm like, shit. All right.
Instead of a Colorado glass.
Oh yeah, you're right.
well.
We need to own a Washington glass.
This is a Washington glass?
That's a Montana glass.
Oh, this is a Montana glass. Sorry.
There's a lot of states happening.
Get her a hops and props. Get her that. They'll go like this.
Oh,
Oh,
yeah.
hops and props, dude.
Okay.
Smokes. That's a lot of.
Yeah.
That's a lot of ingredient.
It's the same amount as last time. Yeah, 10 pounds. Man, it's windy.
You're ready when you're ready.
I might get blown over. Jesus, I'm gonna let this windstorm die down.
Okay.
Yeah, right.
Masha, no.
No, don't drink that beer.